Need to reset the oil change required light on your 2015-2023 Jeep Renegade? It's a straightforward process designed to recalibrate the oil life monitoring system after an oil change, ensuring accurate data for future maintenance. The OLMS estimates oil degradation based on factors like mileage and engine conditions, triggering the light when oil life drops below 15%, typically between 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Resetting tells the vehicle's computer to set the oil life back to 100%. It's crucial to perform this reset only after actually changing the oil to avoid potential engine damage or warranty issues. Keep in mind, Stellantis recommends following a 5,000 to 7,500 mile oil change schedule, regardless of the light. First, park your Renegade on a level surface and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times slowly within 10 seconds, holding each press for about 1 second. Then, turn the ignition off and remove the key. When you restart the vehicle, the oil life should display 100% on the instrument cluster. If this method fails, consult your owner's manual or a dealership, as some models may require a slightly different sequence or an app-based reset via the My Stellantis app. Always double-check for any error codes using an OBD2 scanner to ensure overall vehicle health. Also note that hybrid and e-torque models are trending towards automated resets. While most resets can be done manually, experts still recommend professional resets for complex issues.